Hey everybody, Carl from Apt. We're here at CES 2019 in the LG booth with Randy, and he's going to show us some smart laundry.
Absolutely. You know, smart's becoming the word, the smart home. Everything's getting smarter now, and with the ThinQ technology all about AI, we're talking to speakers, we're talking to different devices.
Sure.
Hey, why not talk to our laundry and make things a little bit easier around the house? So we're gonna talk to it. It's got a built-in voice assistant, just like some of your smart speakers.
Okay.
It might even have my accent. I'm not sure about that, but let's give it a shot. Hi, LG. Turn the power on. So I've got my hands full, and the kids have been out playing, and they're full of grass stains.
Right.
Hi, LG. Wash grass stains. So LG's picked out the perfect wash cycle to take care of those grass stains, so I don't have to bring out my phone and bring it to the laundry room and look up what all the elements are to get that clean. So that's all set for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and load them in, press start. Uh-oh, I have a problem. So let's see if LG can tell me what's going on. Hi, LG. What's the problem? So now she's talking to me, and basically through our smart diagnosis system that hopefully most of you are aware of that we've had for many years, well now she's telling me, well, you didn't close the door. Okay. That's a pretty simple thing, so I'll go ahead and close the door, and go ahead and press start. And then in a few minutes, all my grass stains are taken care of. It's just that simple. And kind of the fun thing with AI is appliances talking to each other. So once this cycle's completed for that grass stains, my dryer's gonna pick the perfect drying cycle to match that. So I don't have to worry about it. Load up the clothes, press start, and everything's matched perfectly. So it's just making life easier, sure. Things communicating, devices can start learning your habits. Maybe you have a particular cycle that you're washing most of the time. It could offer that at the beginning.
Yeah.
Or maybe your clothes have dried and you didn't take them out of the dryer. So in a couple of minutes, it'll buzz your phone and say, hey, would you like to throw on Wrinkle Care?
Okay.
So we can toss those dry clothes and keep the wrinkles from setting in. So it's just making life a little easier and making your clothes look a little better too.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now we just need something that folds the clothes, because I am terrible at that. Anything in the works?
Hopefully there's someone else at home that can take care of that. But we can work on that maybe in the future.
Thankfully, my wife is a much better folder than I am. All right, guys, we're at the LG booth at CES 2019. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because we're going to have a lot more coming.